out for Sunday night, December 2nd. I mean, January 2nd, December 2nd. Back out on Sunday night, ending out the pay period with a Sunday night shift. It's slippery out here, y'all. They don't shovel in this city. I just started my shift at 8. Not 8. I started my shift at 7. And it's about to be 7:30. I just did 2 drop-offs. I think my first drop-off is saying that they didn't get they bag. But they tipped like $2. My second drop-off, they didn't tip on the app, but when I got there, excuse me, when I got there, the lady came out and gave me cash tip. So that was like $2 right there, which is cool. And it's crazy trying to drive out here. The main road is done, but them side streets, they need to come through with the shovel and some salt and see about that. All right, I'll check y'all when I get back to the GoPuff warehouse parking lot. Just got back to the GoPuff warehouse. It's just me and probably like maybe 2 or 3 other drivers. It's Sunday night. 3 orders as of almost 8 o'clock. Started at 7. Oh, it's blurry like that. Yeah, I'm trying to hit that $70 delivery reward bonus this week for the $60. Excuse me. I'm trying to hit that 70 deliveries for this week so I can hit that $60 bonus. I got the 40 and I got the 50 already, so maybe I can squeeze about 25 deliveries out tonight, Sunday night. I have to plug my phone up, keep it charged. I gotta get me a something to hold my camera and my phone up, something different, because this is literally just in the pocket. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like a little pocket right here. There we go. And it's starting to do that weird thing again. I'm sitting right at the building too. Like I'm backed up to the building. I don't know why it's doing that. Let me see something real quick. My favorite little thing to do. Turn it on, turn it on. Let's see real quick. There we go. Sure. The orders. So that first order that I did, that I was talking about earlier, they messaged me and said they didn't get their order. So I talked to the OAs up here and they said GoPuff is probably just going to reimburse them. And you know what? It happened so quick because I took a picture of the bag and I sent the customer a text, and it was a no contact delivery. So I left it at the door. By the time I got back in the car, turned my truck around in the parking lot, and drove back past the door, the bag was gone. So I'm like, you know, I was already probably like 10 minutes, 15 minutes away from that customer. Then they gonna call and say that they didn't get the bag. Either somebody was watching me deliver the bag and drop it off, and they came down there and swooped it up, or the customer, you know, saying that they ain't got their bag. You feel me? And they was automatically saying like, hey, how can I get a refund? Yada yada yada. And I ain't even say anything back. I waited till I got back to the warehouse and told them. And they said that the customer just got to contact customer service and let them know what's going on. And they might get reimbursed, or they'll probably have another bag sent out to them. Which is crazy, like, you know, and I went in the hood. This was in the hood. Sorry to say, but, you know, I know where I was at. I was in the hood. So, shit, it is what it is. I'm on the clock from 7 to 11, I believe. Let me double check. I'm on the clock until 10:30. 7 to 10:30 tonight. I think I'm going to stay until 12. But yeah, right now at the 8 o'clock hour, I'm at $12 in deliveries. 3 deliveries. We got a $4 delivery fee here. I don't know, a $4, our per delivery here is $4. Tips is $4.99. I had 2 people, well, all 3 of my drop-offs tipped me, but 1 person tipped me in cash. for a grand total of $16.99. It's gonna pick up. It's only 8 o'clock on Sunday. It's gonna pick up. I'm trying to hit that 70 deliveries tonight. Get that $60 bonus. Because next week I am not on the clock. I wasn't able to grab any schedule. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you like this video. Because next week I'm pulling up on GoPuff next week. And I'ma just log in, sit in the parking lot, and grab up these GoPuff bags. See how that work out next week. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all when I got another delivery. Peace. Just got back to the GoPuff warehouse. It's just me up here. One of the OAs is up here. Well, I think it's 2 of them up here. It's 10 o'clock. I don't know what's going on. It's Sunday. I'm only up 9 delivery. Oh, I got one. All right, about to head out. What time is it? Almost 10:30. My shift is about to be over with. It was from 7 to 10:30. I'm at 10 deliveries, $40, $34.74 in tips. That bring a total to $74.74. Look at that. I'm making a run for it, y'all. I'm going for the 70 deliveries. I think I need like about maybe 14 more deliveries to hit 70 deliveries to get to 60. It's only 10:30. I'll make a run for it to like about 12, maybe 1 o'clock. I'm on demand right now. My shift's about to end, but I'm gonna stay. Hopefully I get like 3-4 bags at a time. It'll make it go quick. Shoot, if I hit that 70 deliveries before like 12 or 1, then I'll go ahead and go on home. I'm trying to make a Sunday run for it to get these last deliveries to be on this pay period. So we're gonna see if we can get these 14 deliveries. It's 10:30. I'm officially off the clock now. I'm shoveling. As y'all see, it snowed, and then it kept snowing, and I'm like, I don't do all of that. But I had to shovel my way out my driveway, so we're making a run for it. I think I need 14 more. It is what it is. Look at it. Just the 10. I'm 14 away from the 70 deliveries for the $60. I'm really trying. Why I'm doing it? See? That's why I don't like when they do that. I close the app out. Then reopen it. Why is it blurry like that? There we go. Reopen the app. It's 10:31. See how many trips I done? Show these trips up. It's always blurry every time I get ready to show this phone. There we go. I got my first delivery at 7:09. I just finished off my last delivery at 10:18. So if I was just doing this regular schedule and I went home after the schedule ended, I would just have 10 deliveries for tonight. $40 for the night, plus the tips, almost $75 for just that little time that I was working, from 7 to 10:30. It's not bad. I'm really running for the $60 reward for the 70 deliveries for the week. I wanna get these on this check that's coming for this pay period. See what that look like. So hopefully I can make a run for it. I'm gonna try to stay till like 12, maybe 1 o'clock. Then I'm gonna head home. Oh, we got somebody pulling up. All right, check y'all later.